What does it take to build a recycling solution that truly works? At SUNY Group, the answer begins with experience, technology, and a deep understanding of recycling. For more than 20 years, we have focused on developing and manufacturing recycling machinery. From solar panels and lithium-ion batteries to WEE, metals, plastics, and individual equipment such as shredders and balers, we provide one-stop recycling solutions for recyclers around the world. Today, more than 5,000 recycling businesses have worked with us. Behind every machine is our 40,000 square meter manufacturing base, equipped with more than 30 machining systems, including 20 CNC machines for high-precision component manufacturing. With a team of 400+ employees, including 80 R&D engineers, we continue to turn recycling challenges into practical, efficient solutions. This is SUNY Group, where technology, manufacturing, and recycling come together.